Welcome to Volten International. In this video, we want to introduce to you about VR4 capsule. That is our first V-series product that contains 100% black ginger extract. Black ginger is also known as Thai ginseng. It is naturally grown in the mountain area of Thailand with the botanical name Kaempferia parviflora. Black ginger contains a unique bioflavonoid active ingredient called methoxyflavone. Why is Volten VR4 capsule so amazing? This is because we are using the black ginger source from Thailand. By using super extraction biotechnology, which is the patented best extraction technology in the world, it produces black ginger extract in the ratio of 10:1, which enable the standard active ingredient 5,7-dimethoxyflavone achieve high percentage in 2.26%. That is 2 times more than regular black ginger extract. Many studies have shown that black ginger is beneficial to help our body to enhance blood circulation and nerve function, increase lipidol naturally, stabilize hormone and blood pressure, help the body to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, reduce the risk of osteoporosis, and regulate blood sugar level. One of the human clinical studies on evaluating Volten VR4 capsule against diabetic patients and healthy adults shows that daily intake of VR4 capsule as additional health treatment. Blood sugar levels for diabetic patients significantly reduce in just a short period of time. On the other hand, healthy adults who take VR4 capsules also show a good result in stabilizing their blood sugar. This scientific study is also published in 2 international medical journals, which is the Journal of the Medical Association of Thailand and Herba Polonica from Poland in Europe. You might wonder how to take this product. It's so simple. Here, we suggest to take the capsule daily according to individual body weight. Every 10 kg of body weight, take 1 capsule. For example, if your body weight is 60 kg, you can try to take 6 VR4 capsules daily. 3 capsules in the morning and 3 capsules in the evening, preferably after meals. If you wish to take more, also no problem at all. It is because black ginger is a natural herb. It is very safe to be consumed without giving any side effects. You can also open up this capsule and mix the powder into your favorite daily drink, such as V-Cafe, premium black tea, and vitamin milk. Each bottle of VR4 capsule contains the total of 50 capsules, and each capsule contains 130 mg of black ginger extract. The coating of this VR4 capsule is made of soluble plant-based gelatin. It is suitable to be taken by our vegetarian friends too. If you are interested to try out this VR4 capsule, please contact the person who provided you this video or click the link below. We hope you are getting healthier with Volten V-series products. Thank you for watching.